What's up, everybody? Market just closed. We got a little double header today, but the market was up, so we do nothing. Let's see if the broker's loaded. Holy moly. We did some work today. Woo-wee! Top to bottom, let's get it on. Let's get our spreadsheet going. PNM, sell to close, 44.70. We'll cut through this as quickly as possible. NUS, 26.50. Three ends, 40.54. I can't see very good. There we go. All right. SSTK was a 43.65. All right. The sell orders, we had NUS at a 26.24, which is what we had it in for. OUT 12.14. And VGR 11.59, which all matches up with the spreadsheet. Now, the one thing we have to keep in mind is we've only got one day trade left, right? Also, you had an order here, EXR. The buy did not fill. It just shot up, right? Skipped us. So, we'll just cancel that. No big deal. Let's take it out of here as well, so we're not looking for this sucker later. Delito. Get the date in here. Heck, that's pretty good. We're off to the races this month. Profits 820. Less than $10. We'll be ready to put some more in. I'm going to do the statements too today, so 2 for 1 bid. Now, just a buy on RTX, that didn't fill either, so we can cancel this order. So it shows we got 3 left, is that right? Yep. All right, so VGR was bought today. So if we put a sell order in for this thing right now, and it sells before 7 o'clock, that will be a day trade, okay? MTB's not, we've had that for a minute. OUT, same thing. It will be a day trade. So we kind of got to pick one. This one here, about the same stock price, but this one's only down 6 cents. So let's put this sell order in, and then we'll put the VGR order in tomorrow so that we don't risk getting shut down. OUT 12.26. We still want good till cancel with the extended hours on this sucker. All right, and that concludes the show for today as far as this goes. Wow, that's pretty awesome. So we're up $8 in 7 days. It's pretty good for a $700 account. It's over 1%. So now, another thing for big picture to keep in mind is that, excuse me, when the market goes down or starts to retrace, we won't lose money because we are in cash, mostly in cash, right? That is something to keep in mind. So, with all that out of the way, let's get into these dividends. TD Ameritrade. This is for the trading account. We didn't have any dividends, you can see here, but we did have 12 cents of interest. So we'll put that in. Remember, we're not so concerned about trending up on the dividends here because this is a trading account, okay? But we are concerned with the trending up in our investing account, right? Now, it may not be exact quarter over quarter. Sometimes the payout dates are a little funky, but we do want to see a broad trend up, okay? All right. So for the investing account, we got 6 pennies. So that is continuing the trend up. Because you see the last quarter was only 2 pennies, right? See? It's not anything crazy, nothing to go bragging about to the kids about, but it is a trend up. 1, 2, 3. See, it's above this one. All right. I did have this pulled up so we can do a little bit of just an overview. This is accurate. So we're up 12% on our investments, which is pretty awesome, right? Because none of this money was our money. This is money we created by trading. So we learned a skill to create some cash flow. Now, whether we beat the market, don't beat the market, it doesn't really matter. We created cash flow that we wouldn't have had to invest. Now, if you're rich, if you're worth 10 million plus, you can probably skip right to investing. But most people I know aren't. So that's how I got here with no money, is by trading up a small account and putting part of that money into investments. So pretty lackluster month in the investment account, but it is grinding up just like the markets. So everything is doing just fine. You can see here's the breakdown. So this is the S&P 500, and then this guy is our high yield, but it also kicks out a 10% dividend. It's a distribution, it's taxed differently, it's not a qualified dividend, but 10% cash flow. So if you add 10% to this, we're doing pretty damn good. Just about the same, right? But we pull cash flow out. So just to reiterate, we only look at these once a month. So our goal is to get 1 month where we have $2 in dividends. Then we will start the process of putting money in our bank account to spend, okay? So we're still a ways off. With $10 a week, I don't know what your expectations are. Stuff's going to take a while. But can be done. Just make sure if you get impatient before you start putting a lot of extra money into your trading account, make sure you have your other finances in order, okay? No outstanding credit card debt. A little bit of cash for a rainy day. An emergency fund. Right? No debt. Minus maybe a house. I still don't think I'll ever have a house paid for. I just think it's too much free money. But you'll pay your house off. Go ahead and pay that off too. Then go full bore into investing, because the money you spend on fun stuff is not supposed to come out of your paycheck. Paycheck goes into trading, investing, and then your investment income you can spend on whatever you want, and it compounds at such a rapid rate that you put a little in and get a lot out the other end. That's just how it works. So I hope this is helpful to you. I hope you're enjoying the journey. There's nothing in here for me. I just do it all for you folks to try to help you see that it is possible. It does take time, um, but it only takes 10 minutes a day, Monday to Friday. Just take a peek at the market, see what's up, and $10 a week, we're going to get there. So I hope you're doing well. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.